Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily resolve this error on your PC or laptop when you're trying to access any files. Let's begin. First, I want you to close and minimize everything. Then I want you to press on your keyboard Windows R, all right? And this window will show up on your screen and type this on the search bar. resmon.exe, hit enter or press OK. Then this window will pop up on your screen. Make sure you are on the CPU tab, right? Then it should look like this, right? Associated handles. I want you to click on the drop down and look up that certain file or folder you're trying to access. So I will just type in random files in here, okay? For example, let me see. All right. This is the certain folder or file you're trying to access. You can right click on it and then choose and process, right? Once you've completed this step, you can now close this window. Go ahead, reboot or restart your PC. Once you're back on your screen, everything should now be working smoothly. You should now be able to access those files, guaranteed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.